Hey guys, welcome back to the Smooth Family. You know I may have changed my name. So, I have macarons here. You never may. But I'm going to try them here with my other cousins holding the phone. But this one is here. Alright, so you guys. First, comment down below which one you want us to do first. But we're going to start with red first. Because it makes sense. Alright, here. Wait for a second, you guys. Alright, if this video get 5 likes, I'll do another video tomorrow.
Nah. 100.
No. If this video get 20 likes, I'll do another one tomorrow. 20.
Smash that like button.
And hit that subscribe for more videos and hit that little bell. More Smooth Family video. Alright, you guys. Alright. First, I need to ask my assistants, are they allergic to anything? Are y'all allergic to anything?
No.
Allergic? Y'all sure? Because I ain't trying to begin, y'all know that y'all allergic to. So always safety first. Never be. If you guys are allergic, don't eat them. And also, I don't have no idea what they made of, so please pass me the box. Because I don't know what these are made of. So, chocolate cheers, blah, blah, blah.
But they're not good.
I don't feel like reading. Here. Wait. No. So, you guys, I just got these today. I saw them, and I said, why not do a YouTube video? And 1, 2, 3, bite. Not bad. Pretty good.
That's my first time.
They're pretty good, aren't you?
This is my first time trying one.
I expected these to taste a little different. They're like red. It's good, you guys. It kind of got like a
Sweet like.
yeah, sweet like. It's good, guys. Alright, you guys, let's go to the next one.
Hold it.
Alright, here go. Time to go to the next one. DJ, what you throwing? Alright, guys, time to go to the next video. Next one. Lilo, are you ready? Alright, we have orange now. Orange is up next. My assistants. What's wrong? Okay, one person says it's bad. So, DJ say it's good.
Oh,
I say good.
look, how do I want to set this thing up? My mom.
So, you guys, Lulu said, ew. Go throw that away. Throw it away.
Disgusting. Damn, y'all.
She said she didn't like it, y'all. I think it was peppermint, but it was alright to me and DJ. Lulu may not want to continue. Let's see, guys. Alright, next macaron. Here you go.
Orange. Orange, guys.
Orange. Here you go.
Cheers.
Next one. Cheers. COVID-19 to gone. Who agree? Good or bad?
I'm ruined.
You like this one?
It tastes like heaven. It tastes like yucky.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
Yeah.
You guys, orange, I don't like. Macarons, some of them are good, some are not. My uncle just came through, so that's who that was. Alright, so you guys, which macaron y'all think we should try next? We're gonna lay this one for the end because it's like different colors. So let's try the orange, the green.
Yeah,
next.
try green.
I really don't feel like it's gonna be a good macaron.
It might just
You like the orange? Alright, next macaron.
green.
Green, guys. Y'all may not be able to see these. I'm sorry if y'all guys didn't see these. I ain't think about that. Sorry. Let me put this back in. Alright, guys. Next one. Green. Cheers. COVID-19 gone. Eat. Good. Y'all. Green, bad.
This is time for go get paper towel.
Sorry, guys. Phone fell.
Come on, my room.
Oh, I got it to sit up. Alright, guys.
Bring that to the other bathroom. I'm running my room.
Green, no. Don't, whenever you guys see macaroons, I saw these, I got these at Sam's Club. Red, alright. This one didn't like red. Orange, what we say for orange? I ain't like it. Guys say I like it or no? No, I ain't like it. Green, no. Guys, they have a different color one at the end. This is gonna be the last one. This is gonna be the special one. For the last one,
How about we do the chocolate?
Alright, next we're gonna do the chocolates.
Yeah, chocolate's my favorite thing.
This almost to the end of the video, you guys, so
Everybody probably gonna say it's yummy.
I don't know. So you guys, if you're not allergic to it, whenever you go to Sam's Club or your mom or somewhere online, see if you can get these.
Yeah,
That wasn't that much.
Yeah.
So now let's go.
Like the part right here, it's like that when you touch it, it crushes.
Alright, here you go. Now chocolate. I hope this is good. I feel like this is gonna taste like fudge pudding. Something made me feel like fudge. It made me feel like it's fudge.
Get down.
Alright, fudge pudding.
One.
Thank you.
Alright guys, so fudge pudding.
But
I think it's fudge pudding. No. Also, you guys, we may have to. I'm gonna tell you the flavors at the end of the video. I'm telling them flavors at the end of the video. Alright, shh. Don't tell them. I said the flavors at the end of the video. Alright, let's go. Chocolate. Alright. Chocolate.
So yummy.
Chocolate good. It tastes like chocolate cake. Put it. Alright, come on, y'all. Alright, one more. Last one. I don't know who she talking to. Alright, last one, y'all. The favorite. Ready? I'm gonna go first. 1, 2, 3. Cheers. No, eat.
Nah, the outside peppermint. Outside peppermint.
Y'all. Don't. That's a fail. Hold on. What a paper towel at?
Right here.
Give me a paper towel. Who give me a paper towel? Give me a paper towel. Right there, son.
You know,
That's
proof that
nasty.
it is. I have the most I like was chocolate.
Yeah.
Chocolate wins.
Y'all, out of all these, the best one is chocolate. Forget this one, chocolate.
Forget that. It's so nasty. Wait, what flavor is those?
Chocolate tastes like chocolate cake.
Come on here, Jay.
Okay. All right, bye guys. Signing off.